lovelies. Can you hear them? They can hear the bags already. Now, as you know, Mr. Producer's bought me loads of bird food for Valentine's Day. He has. And the birds must already know this. They must have, because they're out in force. You can hear them. They saw Mr. Producer getting ready with the camera. They did. So we're going to take these down the garden. Yes, we are. So come on. This way. Mind watching. There was somebody here waiting for me. Now I have a little extra surprise. Backwards. Go back. Go back. Go back. Come fall over. Right. Why? You should put the hose pipe away. Then you don't trip over. Stop. Are you going back up all the way up? Okay. I thought you were going to stop there. This producer also bought me a box for my bird food. Now, if you watched the one of me in IKEA going down the travelator and the wheel fell off, this is that box. Yes. So we're going to go put the wheel on down the bottom of the garden and fill it up with bird food. Oh, yeah, we'll work on. Ta-da! It's on. I'm going to put that straight in there because I don't want the wheels to get all muddy. Right, so it's in. We'll take the lid off a minute. I'm going to put my containers in, my spare containers, instead of them being blown about everywhere. I'll put these in. We've got some black sunflower seeds already, so they can go in. Now they're that one full, and that's a full peanuts, so that can go straight in. Now the other ones are open, so I'm just going to put them there for a minute. Right, so what I'm going to do is fill my table and then fill my box. How does that sound? Right, so mealworms. I wonder if they'll come if I do this. You know, like dog food and cat food. Hey, birdie birdies! Hanging in my mealworms. There we go. I'm in. Kind of. Come down the right parts and there we go. I'm in. Fill up the mealworms. Right, so I've got 2 bags of these. So now we're going to put these in my box. And back to the bird table. So I think it's just the bowls that I've got to fill up. Did you just trip over the table? That's alright then. Right. We'll go for the squash packet first, I think. I'm going to use this table to fill them. 1 and 2. And then these bits that are all broken up, I'm going to put on my big table. That's the plan. Right, so that's that filled back up. Take that off a second. The squirrels might give the birds an actual chance if they've got a broken up one on here. Because they don't normally give the birds a chance for these bowls. So if they've got them broken up on here, the birds might get a bit of a chance to get to those ones then. Right, so there's half a bag left there. We've got one bag. You need to come and look at my box after I've done and see how I've laid them all out nicely. So I've got 3 full bags and half a bag left now. Of my bird balls. I know, but we can't help the sunshine, can we? Right. Birdseed. I don't think I need to put any birdseed out. I think there's plenty in there and there's plenty in there still. So this birdseed can go straight in. And I'm going to use up, there's only a little bit left in that packet. The rest on there. Like so. Mix them up a bit. You good? So I don't need any blocks because that red one's been there a few days now though. I'm going to see how they get on because I think they've gone off the red bits. I do. So I'm going to see if they eat any more of that today. If not, tomorrow I'll come down and I'll put one of these ones in. But I've got 2 on there already for them to nibble. So the blocks can go in. I'm quite liking this. It's been all organised. Right, so what else have we got in here? Have a look. Right. So we've now got 2 bags of peanuts. Peanuts are still quite full, so I won't fill them up. And we've got sunflower hearts. And a bag is attracted to your leg. So put these straight in the box. Yeah, I think that is finished now, so I can put the lid back on it. That's that back on. Hello. You're falling in the trees. Right, coconuts. I've got enough coconuts. So we'll put these straight in the box. I'm loving it. I'm loving all this bird food. So our coconuts are in. Because I've got a lovely bunch of coconuts. And then all that's left is my big suet log. Yes. Put that in, because obviously that would go in there. So, all I've got left in here is an open sunflower heart and peanut chips. I normally put that on that one, but with them having the luxury balls all broke up, I'll save that. Right. Look inside. Look in. Come inside. It's all nice and tidy, look. Yes. Now all I need is another bird feeder, Mr. Producer. But then I'd need double the bird food. So I'm going to put the lid on. Make sure no naughty animals get in it. Now I have a spare box. I don't know what I'm going to do with. Yes. For now, we can put the carry bag in. For now, can't we? I might actually break these up tomorrow and put them on that table. Give them another day at them. Let's get this bag. Stay there. Right. So that is my bird table all filled again for my Valentine's present. Yes. So thank you, Mr. Producer, and thank you to you guys for joining me. Don't forget, like the video for me, subscribe to my beautiful channels, and follow me on my Twitter, Instagram, and my amazing Patreon, all Adelesexyuk. The link for my Patreon is in the box below. Click on that, it'll zoom you straight off to my Patreon, where there's 3 free videos waiting for you to watch. Scroll through the videos that are on there and find them. Yes. Thank you for joining me, guys. Happy bird feeding. I've got to go, sorry. Go.